Hey everyone, it's your friend HHH here, ready to unlock the power of natural remedies. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Today we're diving into the world of black pepper, known as the king of spices. We all have it in our kitchens. I bet you can spot some right now. But did you know that this everyday spice is actually a powerhouse of health benefits? Let's explore the amazing properties of black pepper, and I'm going to share some easy ways you can start using it daily to improve your health. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes black pepper so incredible. The star of the show is an active compound called Piperine, which gives black pepper that characteristic pungent taste we all recognize. But don't just think flavor, think powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting those pesky free radicals in our bodies, those unstable molecules that can damage our cells and lead to all sorts of health problems. Black pepper is also a good source of important vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, iron and manganese. Piperine doesn't just provide its own benefits, it actually acts as a supercharger for other nutrients too. Studies have shown that piperine enhances the bioavailability of nutrients, meaning it helps your body absorb vitamins and minerals better. So when you add black pepper to your meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're actually amplifying the nutritional value of your entire meal. Now let's talk about digestion. We all know how uncomfortable it feels when your stomach is acting up. Black pepper can be your new best friend when it comes to keeping your digestive system happy. Piperine stimulates digestive enzymes. These enzymes are like little helpers in your gut that break down food and make sure everything runs smoothly. By giving your digestive enzymes a boost, black pepper can work wonders for common digestive discomforts like indigestion and bloating. Black pepper has carminative properties, which means it can help relieve gas and reduce intestinal gas formation. Next up is immunity. Staying healthy, keeping our immune system strong, that's something we all care about, especially these days. Black pepper isn't just a spice rack superstar, it's also got some pretty impressive antibacterial properties. Black pepper is also believed to have antiviral and antifungal properties, making it a true triple threat in the world of natural remedies. Let's circle back to antioxidants for a moment because they're just that important. As we age, our bodies naturally produce fewer antioxidants, which means those free radicals can start to run wild, causing oxidative stress and damaging our cells. This damage is linked to a whole host of health problems, from wrinkles and age spots to more serious conditions like heart disease and even cancer. By including black pepper in your diet, you're essentially giving your body an extra dose of these powerful antioxidants, which can help protect you from the inside out. Now, for something that I know many of you are curious about, weight loss. Staying at a healthy weight is so important for overall health and well-being, but it can be a real struggle for a lot of people. While black pepper isn't a magic weight loss solution, it can actually play a supporting role in your weight loss journey. Studies have shown that piperine can actually help boost your metabolism. Your metabolism is essentially the process by which your body converts food into energy. Piperine has also been shown to interfere with the formation of new fat cells, which can help prevent future weight gain. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, it can be a valuable tool in your weight loss arsenal. From boosting your immunity to aiding in weight loss, we've already covered a lot of incredible benefits of black pepper. Black pepper can actually provide relief from those pesky respiratory issues that plague us all from time to time. Black pepper can act as a natural expectorant. It helps to loosen up and thin out mucus in your respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up and clear out those congested airways. Black pepper also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe irritated airways and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Now that we've covered the incredible health benefits of black pepper, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Freshly ground black pepper is a must-have in any kitchen. It adds a burst of flavor to just about anything. Savory dishes, of course, but also dips, dressings, you name it. One of my favorite ways to use black pepper is to add a generous grind to my soups. And don't even get me started on salads. A pinch of black pepper can transform a boring salad into a flavorful masterpiece. And if you're a fan of marinades, and who isn't, black pepper is a must-have ingredient. We all know turmeric, that golden spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Black pepper can actually enhance the health benefits of turmeric. They're like a dynamic duo working together to boost your health. Piperine has been shown to increase the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. That means that when you combine turmeric with black pepper, you're getting the full benefits of curcumin's amazing health-boosting properties. Add a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric latte. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables or mix it into your favorite curry recipe. While using black pepper in your cooking is the most common way to enjoy its benefits, it's not the only way. This versatile spice can also be used to whip up some incredible health-boosting concoctions. Let's talk about black pepper tea. Have you ever tried it? If not, you're missing out. Just add a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to a cup of boiling water. For an extra boost of flavor and health benefits, add a slice of fresh ginger and a drizzle of honey. Black pepper can even be used in your skincare routine. It has natural exfoliating properties that can help to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin underneath. Simply mix a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper with a tablespoon of plain yogurt to create a gentle exfoliating scrub. So there you have it, folks, the incredible health benefits of black pepper. From boosting your immunity and aiding digestion to supporting weight loss and even enhancing your skincare routine, this spice truly is a powerhouse of health benefits. Start using this powerful spice today. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural remedies and health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of natural wellness.